Alright, because I've had a lot of people asking how I did from the hurricane. This is basically the dock. I undid every other board, and so it was able to relieve a lot of pressure. I'll see if I can include a video during this. I don't know, my editing software is not working too well. But essentially the dock itself took quite a beating, as it normally does, and eventually went underwater, which is actually better because that allows the surge just to flow over it other than hitting underneath it. All these boards walking down, which is 500 feet of dock, I left this year just to see what would happen to them, but I left about an inch, some points 2-inch gaps between boards, and then some boards, the ones that are painted, I actually only have a single screw holding it in. That way, if the storm were to take anything, it would take strategically placed boards throughout, so any board that has white on it. And it seemed to do well. I lost 50 boards, but but that's way better than losing the entire dock, which is what literally happens every hurricane. I have to end up rebuilding all the stringers and reset pilings and all kinds of stuff. Boathouse held up well, so that's good news. And then the sailboat itself is doing pretty well. I need to dive under and check the mooring because it got tangled around the helix anchor somehow. So yeah, I need to dive down there. I'm just waiting for the water to cool down and calm down some. But all in all, did pretty well from the storm. Could have been a whole lot worse. But this is in St. Augustine, Florida, and obviously Milton made landfall down over in Tampa and then crossed over and came out about Titusville, Port Canaveral. So we had sustained winds at about 55 or so, and then peaks a little bit higher. But could have been a whole lot worse. So here's where we are. Milton, afterwards, day one.